Chikidudi! Welcome to our channel, Kiray and Kiddos! Yeah! So mga Chikidudes, for today's vlog, maggawa tayo ng burger a la Kiray. So ipapakita ko sa inyo all the ingredients that we need for this easy and yummy recipe. All the ingredients that you need oil, eggs, dried or crispy onion, chili powder, pepper powder, and salt. And our main ingredients is ground beef, and of course the cheese and the bread. Baguette. I'm using baguette. I'm not using a burger bun. I'm using baguette. And the mixed salad. Lettuce, tomato, and cucumber. So that's all. And now I'm gonna show you the easy way to make this. For the bread, mga Chikidudes, we have to use this bread presser. So instead of see that one. So hintayin na natin siya mag-green at yun, tapos na siya. And that's our bread. So flatten na siya. Ayan. Flatten na siya. Super flatten na talaga niya. Ayan. So, ganyan lang siya. So, ayan na mga Chikidudes. Let's start. So, first, we have to preheat our pan. So, when it's hot, put a little bit oil. Put your ground meat. So, ganyan karami. My husband really loved this style of burger. So then put salt, salt. Tansyahin nyo lang. And powder pepper. Then mix it. Malinis yung kamay ko, ha. So, ayan mo, Chikidudes. My husband really loved this food. It's like, since the time na ginawan ko siya nito, it's like 2 weeks from then. Every night, ito lang yung request niya. Gusto ko rin kasi 1, 2, 3 na luto siya eh. It's very easy. 1, 2, 3 lang talaga siya. So, we have to mix it and cook it well. Yung ground meat natin. Then of course, because my husband really loves spicy food, we have to add the powder, chili powder. So, I'm putting like 2 teaspoons. We mix it until our ground meat will cook. Para maluto siya ng maayos. So, ayan. So, and now it's cooked our meat. We have to put our egg, 2 eggs. We have to put 2 eggs. Masali yung shell ng itlog. So, takpan lang natin siya konti. Like, we'll cover it like for about 2 minutes siguro. Para lang maluto. Insakto yung ano. Tapos, at this moment, i-medium yun na yung ano nyo. Yung apoy. So, that's it. And now, for 2 minutes, we have to put our cheese. Here's the cheese. Have 2 slices of cheese here. You have to cover it again para mag-melt yung cheese niya. So, and right after, itap natin yung dried onion. Yung crispy onion natin, guys. So, itap natin siya. At patayin na natin yung apoy. So, takpan nyo lang siya. And now, let's do the salad and the bread. So, and now, mga chikidudes, let's assemble it. We have to put our sauce first. Ay, wala na siya. So, I'm using hot sauce because my husband really loves to eat hot sauce. And this hot sauce is mixed with garlic, black pepper, and chili. And this one is only chili. So, I'm using this one. So, and now we have to add our salad. I have to wash my hand first. We have to add our salad. Here's our salad. Our salad. So, ganyan lang siya, mga chikidudes. So, put again the other sauce on the top here. Oh, wait. Hindi pala yun. So, sauce for the salad.
And now, let's put our meat on top.
So, ayan siya. Look. Ayan, si yummy. Talagang and then we have to put that one in. So, and that's our burger. No, diba? And then, ta-da! Ta-da!
ASTI, Mr. Phil. burger. So, pakita ko sa inyo. Ayan siya. So, four is already done for the first layer. Ayan.
Ano natin? 4 na serve natin. So, yan siya. Inisan natin konti para naman maganda yung plating natin. Hindi, ano. So, ayan. Ayan mga Chikiddos, bye! Thank you for watching. So please don't forget to share, like, subscribe to our YouTube channel, Kiray and Kiddos. So sa hindi pa nag-subscribe dyan, so please hit the notification down below para ma-update kayo sa mga walang kwentang vlogs namin.